Here for acne scar treatment on scars and just large pores and just better texture.
We're going to use the TCA in a paint light fashion. So you see the edges of all the areas are going to be painted to blend the scar into the skin when we laser. He's going to peel just like a TCA peel, but it's going to be a little bit different in terms of it's going to cave the scar inward onto itself. Now we're working with a hybrid fractional laser for resurfacing. We want to deeply produce collagen. He's got thicker skin, and he's got a cobblestoning type scarring in his middle and lower face and the deeper atrophic scars in his temple. So these areas here, we're going to do that TCA. Potentially could even do filler and punch incisions in the future if we don't get enough improvement. Our fractional ablative laser, our CO2, this is actually more like a fully ablative resurfacing. We're doing a super strong high power. My patient has thicker skin, porous skin, and some deeper scars, so he can actually tolerate this. It might make him a little more red for a longer period of time, but his end result will be significantly more. As you guys see, we did a super strong, aggressive, multi-pass, fully ablative resurfacing here with CO2 and basically fully ablative in the cheek, and we want to get those stem cells on. So we have our anti-age exosomes you guys see here. We're going to do that with our PRP and really get that on the skin immediately, along with our polygrowth factors. This is going to help him heal more quickly, soothe the skin, and we're going to penetrate that into the skin doing our Emer Skin Intense Hydration Mask combined with our glacial device to decrease inflammation. This mask is going to go on the skin. It's going to help us penetrate the stem cells and PRP that we just put on his skin, plus help us get ready to do our glacial glide. And we are doing glacial glide post-treatment, post very aggressive laser, you guys. I was talking to our team here about the reason for doing this, and not only is this a facial device that you can utilize in as esthetician services in your office and add-on services for treatment, but this really helps calm the skin after a laser. This protocol of combining Emer Skin, you guys see our intense hydration mask, our anti-age exosomes, you guys see there, all on the skin, and our glacial protocol. This is going to calm the skin, and if you actually could feel this right now, you would feel it super cold. This is cryotherapy, decreasing what we call skin inflammation.
Pain level 6 out of 10, not too bad, really quick, so. Still very swollen, no pain, just very red. This is my favorite Emer Skin Intense Hydration Mask. Makes your skin feel really cool and refreshed. Skin is feeling really tight, still really red. Scabs are starting to break apart. Should start peeling off later today or tomorrow. Redness is starting to fade away and scabs are peeling off.